Sober TV a for any I afford yet. Munim that I said now what you me announce said mama said Asante Kotoko penny for ebe clear a year Kotoko players no salary no. Before the match against a year had to folk. Well, on my the Osia yo APS Ghana to Mranti and accounts no. I'm a BBA the bonus media and so better in due course. Now, and the ama yeshiani nyina yese enyo bi nam from memoir ese e kan ho asem ansana e de oye naba. And this goes to the Kotoko family. This goes to the Kotoko family. The reason being that there's a thin line between confidence and complacency. So when you are kukuduru na o ma utrimaye wode unya o mujidie na o ma utrimaye wode eye kwan ketua bi nedem kwan ne nso sa. Confidence is very, very necessary in life. For you to get to the top, you need that self-confidence, because if you don't trust yourself, you don't have confidence in yourself, how do you expect people to have confidence in you? That's all team in common day. So who need GD then I will person will be or think change GD what you. So confidence is very necessary. But complacency mostly is the beginning of downfall, is the downfall of most men. Nipa kukudam ahwe ase no, infiti ase no started every complacency. Now, I'm seeing that within the Kotoko system, and it's necessary that we talk about it before say Sunday. And when you monitor discussions, it looks like Kotoko 4 matches in Kunimdi, no, and the Chidia Sonko Ababe show BM, which is positive. Because so Koko Kessie now, why Teboa, there's a one crank here. But Saturday, no, I say, a ya brosu ni pebimu, ama a real ni pebi trimu. One she ya ne we are playing body this one. I'm ma feel it too big. Nene no na would diagrad ye before say, "Aw yim show." So to the Kotoko players, let me start with the Kotoko fans. Then I'll come and tell you what I've noticed about the Kotoko players. Beating have to focus not a one-man job. So ubetumi ahye has enye nipa ba ko adwuma. They are spiritually fortified. The soul and the spirit behind how to focus on. Se dom di wachi a omoso dom di omachi. And obi a dom di nachi no. A omo di omusunsumo ta nachi no. Den se obi piano to form. Because who piano dom ne be so no asan de na gina ho bi. And that is why I had time Kotoko anytime they go down they come back bigger and stronger. It's because of the numbers behind them. And time a nipa oso ni hu pa ye bra wa hwe ase. Se nipa oso hwe ase a, they go all out to come back to the top. And after that, the fear of failing any move because you can't hear us. So to the Asante Kotoko fans, must start to relax it when it comes to the things you do to help Kotoko. Amadi Abua Kotoko for the last 4 matches and a moon team in that. Because your that for moon surah here. So per the narrative, the last 4 games of Heart to Full, Accra Lions win, the Kum Chelsea, draw, Nania FC FA Cup lose. And a year, a Diana lose, meaning a 1 win in 4 matches. Kotoko 4 in 4. It's more fun to say a done deal, no, and yet done deal. The other form in Surahias here. And this thing have happened to Kotoko on so many occasions. And until there is this says a Kotoko has a Babona Kotoko form a Kotoko intimisha has. The reason is that se Kotoko has Babona Kotoko form a trimudene bem. They say Kotoko bit me chiafa has and so. It happened in the Confederations Cup after that 1-1 draw. The conversation was see about kind of about draw there and the music kumasi ebeti. But that was not the story at the end of the day. The same thing happens to us. Haas ne Kotoko ball Tamale, that FA Cup final. That was the time that Haas were 5 players or the Wafu tournament. And in that season, that Haas edited performed so well in the Ghana Premier League as compared to Kotoko. Now when you accident, now the team no I say sorry. So how to fool fans extremely confident. And Kotoko na empire is what the young boy say, woman team now. But guess what happened? Before they realized, I could crash on trainer for myself. Now they were now trying to look out for solutions. And for myself simple. 3, no more money. So the conversation is that it has happened before. See, Inti mo last season, na Kotoko Achi League. Akot pre-season in Sudan. Abo Kadiogo ama amfa ama enibra ba ye be show mo eniba nso na ye draw. So do not underestimate how to folk at the Baba Sports Stadium. And that's to the fans on why they should rise up and do what they know how. Or they do the omonya the omonimi no. What I say? Omonya the omonimi no. Mo fin the agro. Now to the playing body. Na me adom sikasem nye problem. Abraba ebo ya de ba ko ha ni pepa sikasem. Sikasem yi nyina da dwen pa. Wuti nkomo ne de. So wo ye adwuma na aboso me beso aketua be bakama. Ubi say nuano mo wa kra na rent and transportation ti omuti. Nukra kan na yemu bia nya yanze be bakrom hobio. Aka ye kuma se he. Because most of the time baby awo ye adwuma no o pedan around ho de agi so do salary ni nyina ye tu be ko e kakra na be ko no traffic be hawo traffic na be hawo no kra de fine transportation is be miaw so rent and transportation in a mian ko fu okru mapa. So if you are working for a company, that company need be for rent. Your transportation to work, company labor farmer. In this case, the Kotoko players, your rent is being catered for by the team. Chiamo rent, mama kama. Chimo dino, ya haya mama. Sabu ko training na bus fa obia efi ho na etwa eye Kev no fun wesa ho no. Yede makwa adakwaja achimako yeti ne wia na ba besimu nti wadwuma a wo kono umfa ka etuama wo bebi abeda etuama wo nyese bebi abeda no na wo san etua wo ho bills so your water and electricity bills etuama na we nyina wia wo salary asamba on time wodua ne die cafeteria kama ewo mo dan na chi the long-term plan here say or even the short-term wasn't check. See be feeding the bia but for now you weekend one. We are so I was the bonus account. Intimun can say 4 matches now it is meaningless if you don't beat out of folk. Forget about the fact that Nina had 3 points. Yes, Nina had 3 points. But before adwuma na wo ye adwuma mana baby ana come deep ano e ho na wo duru ha wo ye yie e ma nipa na ka wase baby a supporters e di beje eye match beat se has nya Champions League ye mbobi inti se wo she hasa. I'm not saying o she hasa, that is it, but wo she has e wo climax. The 4 matches no winyam what taking it to 5, which will be unprecedented. And in some one amunya no kwesi ada no ewo ase on time a mo be fro bass. Mbenya de chance a. Achede no mbenya de chance a. So you should not look at the form of how to folk at this moment as a playing body and assume that it's all done. So match we no other matches now but determination here 100% away some of the zero back account 1,000 this match would change most of your career if at the end of the day you can beat her to full at Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. Your life will never be the same if you can record this victory, take it to 5 matches, and defeat the better rivals. Defeat the rivals, rather. Enti, and now good year. Mamu trimu nyamo de. Because they who are picking with training, you know, as a trimu de kakraba. Oh. Timu fa de mashanin too much, fan to baby. Media man nations. Nations in Africa. Media man Chelsea, Lagos City, supporters Nenyaje. But bo mo ahosapena nkasa. Kotoko chita for every momo hono has. Beat has with folk and give your fans a proper football orgasm. Etienye trimudasem. Ukona afawo ho. Uti afawo ho. Unai na abe crash it. Now what you way? Money as holy as possible. Montem ho. Na money focused. And my previous wins na murabu trim be focused for this game. So benyansa fu ye bu ne be en kanasem. Yen kasa bebre. But my complacency in setting in. Nipa way come de na ne subanko nyeska ne subanko. Na the man has supporters me ka say has players who tuomo ka omo mboni ye no. Omani bre no mo de ba. I'm telling you, House of Folk for any brave brain on the back myself. And answer kitwa. The almost supporters near and answer kitwa. Into a player to who was a match with a queen. And you see what will happen on Sunday. So no complacency. We need consistency. Repeat, encore. Against House of Folk. Era masibe bre e bon pa ese betie amoma mo trimo nyamo ndembe pupu pomoto e o park no so nyame adom akwasiada. Bye bye.